If you're looking to take your muscle building journey to the next level, you're in the right place. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle growth, but the sources you choose can make a big difference. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 4 protein sources that can help you achieve explosive muscle growth, giving you all the details on why they're so effective, how to use them, and how they can complement your workout routine. Stick around to the end, as I'll also share a little gem that can help with joint pain relief, so you can train harder, recover faster, and stay injury-free. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more fitness content and muscle building tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Lean chicken breast, the gold standard in protein. Let's start with the classic chicken breast. You can't go wrong with this lean protein powerhouse. Chicken breast is packed with high-quality protein, and it's low in fat, making it perfect for muscle building without the extra calories. Why it works. Protein content. A 3.5-ounce serving of chicken breast provides about 31 grams of protein. This is a significant amount that supports muscle repair and growth, especially when combined with a proper workout routine. Low-fat chicken breast is virtually free of fat, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build lean muscle while keeping fat gain at bay. Versatility. You can cook chicken in so many ways: grilled, baked, sautéed, or even shredded for salads or wraps. How to use it. For optimal muscle building results, aim to consume chicken breast post-workout when your body is primed for nutrient absorption. Combine it with some carbs like sweet potatoes or quinoa to restore glycogen levels and fuel your muscles. Bonus tip. You can make your chicken meals even more effective by adding a joint pain relief supplement like Flexomore to your routine. It helps keep your joints healthy and flexible, so you can push through intense workouts and recovery phases. Check the link in the description for more details. Eggs, the all-around muscle building champion. Next up, we have eggs, which are often referred to as the perfect protein. Eggs are an incredible source of high-quality protein and are also rich in healthy fats that are essential for hormone production, including testosterone, which is crucial for muscle growth. Why they work. Complete protein eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own, making them a complete protein source that helps repair and build muscle effectively. Healthy fats. The yolk of the egg contains healthy fats, including omega-3s, which are essential for overall health and muscle function. Rich in nutrients. Eggs are loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, iron, and choline, which are all vital for muscle recovery and energy production. How to use it. You can enjoy eggs in so many ways: scrambled, boiled, poached, or even in a protein-packed omelet with vegetables. After your workout, eggs are great for muscle recovery, and you can pair them with whole grain toast or some avocado for a balanced post-workout meal. If you're not a fan of meat or eggs, Greek yogurt is a fantastic alternative that can still deliver impressive muscle-building benefits. Greek yogurt is higher in protein compared to regular yogurt and contains beneficial probiotics for gut health, which is essential for nutrient absorption. Why it works. Protein-rich. A 6-ounce serving of Greek yogurt typically contains 15 to 20 grams of protein, making it a great snack or addition to any meal to help meet your daily protein goals. Probiotics for gut health. A healthy gut is key to absorbing nutrients effectively, which helps with muscle growth and overall recovery. Versatile and delicious. You can enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, mix it with fruits, nuts, or even use it as a base for protein smoothies. How to use it. Enjoy a serving of Greek yogurt in the morning, post-workout, or as a snack to keep your muscle recovery on track. If you want to add more protein, throw in a scoop of protein powder and some berries for a delicious and satisfying treat. And just a quick reminder, while you're working on getting those gains, don't forget to add Flexomore to your routine. It'll help keep your joints in top shape so you can keep pushing through those workouts. Link in the description for more info. Lean beef, a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's not forget about red meat. Lean cuts of beef are one of the most nutrient-dense sources of protein available. While beef tends to be higher in fat than chicken or fish, when you go for lean cuts, it can still be an excellent option for muscle growth. High-quality protein. A 3-ounce serving of lean beef can provide about 22 grams of protein, which is great for muscle building. Rich in iron. Beef is also rich in heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body and helps deliver oxygen to your muscles during intense workouts. Creatine. Beef contains creatine, a natural compound that helps fuel your muscles during short bursts of high-intensity exercise, boosting strength and power output. Enjoy lean beef as part of your post-workout meal, especially if you're focusing on strength training or high-intensity workouts. Pair it with some healthy carbs like brown rice or quinoa to optimize muscle recovery. Remember, while protein is crucial for muscle growth, it's also essential to pay attention to your joint health. Incorporating Flexomore into your daily routine can provide your joints with the support they need, especially during those intense weightlifting sessions. Check the link in the description for more details. Final thoughts. Putting it all together. Now that you know the top 4 protein sources for explosive muscle growth, it's time to take action. The key to building muscle is consistency in both your diet and your workouts. Make sure you're eating enough protein and pairing it with a solid strength training program to see the best results. Remember, muscle building is not just about lifting heavy weights. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients and giving it the recovery it needs. Don't forget to focus on your joint health with Flexomore, which can help keep you moving and training at your best. Bonus challenge. Join the 3-week muscle building challenge. Are you ready to take your gains to the next level? Join our 3-week muscle building challenge and follow this plan. Week 1. Focus on full body strength workouts using bodyweight exercises and the protein sources we've covered. Week 2. Increase the intensity by incorporating compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Week 3. Push yourself with high-intensity interval training or height and heavier weights, all while making sure your nutrition is spot on. Throughout this challenge, make sure to track your progress and share it with the community in the comments below. I want to hear about your journey, so don't be shy. Before you go, make sure you smash that like button like you mean it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join our growing community of muscle builders, fitness enthusiasts, and health-conscious individuals. And hey, drop a comment letting me know which of these protein sources is your favorite, or if you have any go-to muscle-building meals. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and remember, it's all about making progress. Catch you in the next one.